Good morning students. Today we will discuss bases. We have learnt that the material or substances which release hydrogen ions on dissolving in water. On dissolving in water known as acids. Right? But there are some of the substances which produce hydroxyl ions, H plus hydrogen ions, OH minus. These are known as hydroxyl ions. So the material substances which release hydroxyl ions on dissolving in water are known as bases. So the substances which release hydroxyl ions on dissolving in water are known as bases. Got it? And bases example. Number one example, lime water. Lime water is also known as slacked lime. चूने का पानी, बुझा हुआ चूना या चूने का पानी. चूने का पानी साइंटिफिक नेम कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. केमिकल नेम कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड CaOH. CaOH, OH के ऊपर होल ट्वाइस. सो CaOH2. Like this, caustic soda. Caustic soda NaOH. Caustic soda sodium hydroxide KNaOH. Next Na for sodium. याद आया? Na for sodium. Next one, caustic potash. Caustic potash potassium hydroxide. Caustic potash potassium hydroxide KOH. This is the KOH, caustic potash. Right. Next one, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is also known as antacid. Antacid. And antacid used to relieve acidity of our stomach. It is used to relieve acidity of our stomach. Acidity we have learnt in the last class. So milk of magnesia is also scientific name magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice. MgOH OH 2I क्योंकि OH are double 2 hydroxyl ions. So OH2 OH whole twice. Got it? These are some of the common bases. Example देखिए वापस से. Lime water कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. caustic soda sodium hydroxide NaOH. caustic potash potassium hydroxide KOH. milk of magnesia magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice. Now look some other examples of the bases. Quicklime also known as calcium oxide. Calcium oxide CaO. Calcium oxide CaO. Calcium CaO means oxide. Next one, washing soda. Washing soda, common name, chemical name sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2, 2 atoms of sodium, Na2 CO3, 1 atom carbon, 3 atom oxygen, Na2 CO3. Sodium carbonate. CO3 carbonate. CO3 are known as carbonates. Now baking soda. Baking soda sodium hydrogen carbonate. Do you have NaHCO3? Do you have any similarity between both of them? Yes. NaCO3. NaCO3. But here NaHCO3, here Na2CO3. Both are similar. Baking soda and there are some similarity between them. So baking soda and washing soda. Got it? So number one, quicklime calcium oxide CaO, washing soda, sodium carbonate, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now look, as we have discussed, bases are stronger and weak on the basis of their dissolution. If their dissolution completely dissolve completely are known as dissolve completely and dissociate completely and release large amount of the hydroxyl ion. Acid, large amount of the hydrogen ion. Bases, large amount of hydroxyl ions. They release large amount of hydroxyl ions. So strong bases. Example number 1, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, NaOH, KOH. Now look over here, weak bases. Weak bases are the bases which do not dissociate completely in water. Example, zinc hydroxide, copper hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide, copper hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide ZnOH whole twice. Magnesium hydroxide CaOH whole twice. Copper CuOH whole twice. So ZnOH whole twice. Got it? Zinc hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and copper hydroxide. Now look, physical properties of the bases. Physical property of the bases, if we test them, they are bitter in taste. स्वाद में कड़वे होते हैं. They are bitter in taste. When we touch them, they are slippery to touch. Baking soda, slippery to touch. Soft solution, slippery to touch. So these are slippery to touch. Next one, the solution of bases are good conductor of electricity. The solution of bases are good conductor of electricity. Now strong bases, as we acids know, the acids, like acids, strong bases are also corrosive in nature. When they come in contact with skin, they causing blisters. फफोले पड़ जाते हैं, skin burning. So these are corrosive in nature. Bitter to taste, slippery to touch. Yes, slippery to touch, good conductor of electricity and corrosive in nature. Now showing the effects on the indicators. The bases showing their effect to the indicators just like to the acids. The acids turn blue litmus to red, but just opposite to base, it turn red litmus to blue. Acid blue to red, bases red to blue, red litmus to blue. Phenolphthalein, it change the color, colorless to pink. In the bases, change color phenolphthalein to the pink. Next one, it do not change the color of methyl orange. Yellow है, yellow ही रहेगा. But the turmeric, the yellow color of turmeric change to red. That's why it is used to making sindoor. You know sindoor? So sindoor is used by the ladies. Yes, married women are used the sindoor, and it is made up of the turmeric. When base mix in the turmeric, it turns into red in color. Now look, usage of bases. Usage of bases, as we have learnt, magnesium hydroxide, also known as antacid. An antacid to remove acidity of our stomach. You know, chemical fertilizers. When we use excessively chemical fertilizers, it result into acidity of soil. Soil become acidic and become infertile. So, in this case, when soil become infertile, we add some bases. सीधी सी बात है. To neutralize the effect of acid, we use bases because both of them are opposite in nature. So we use calcium oxide, which is also known as quicklime, and second one limestone. Second one is the limestone calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is used, CaCO3. Calcium carbonate and quicklime both are used to mix in the soil to remove acidity of the soil and make the soil neutral and become more fertile. Next one, whitewash. You know, whitewash. And to do whitewash, we use, yes, slacked lime or lime water. चूने का पानी, lime. We put the lime and put into the water, and when it completely burnt away, completely reaction takes place, slacked lime. Now this slacked lime is used to make the whitewash the walls. Calcium hydroxide. Slacked lime, calcium hydroxide. Next one, the calcium hydroxide is also used to prepare the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, you know, to remove the any dot of the ink, bleaching color, to remove the color of the dye. These are known as bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide is used to prepare the bleaching powder. Also used to cleanizing agent. Washing soda, you know, washing soda, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used to make the washing soda and detergents. Detergents make the softening of the water. Next one, to making paper. In paper industry, we also use the bases. So repeat once again. Quicklime, calcium oxide, calcium carbonate, which is also known as limestone. Calcium oxide and calcium carbonate used to remove acidity of soil. Some whitewash, calcium hydroxide. Bleaching powder, calcium hydroxide. Washing soda, sodium hydroxide. Got it? Now one and last point in concern to the bases. All the alkalis are bases. All the alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Why? Because all bases do not dissolve in the water. Some of the bases are insoluble in water. So all bases, what do you mean by alkalis? Alkalis are the bases which are soluble in water. So all bases are not soluble in water. Some of the bases insoluble. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Thank you.